Hey everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2020 Lincoln Continental for sale. This comes in a tan exterior with a tan interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, and come around to the back. You can see our Lincoln badging here, and power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Taking a look at our rear seats next. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Do have heated seats in the rear here as well. And another look at that sunroof. Do have a keypad style entry system. Power memory seats, controls right here, door controls, steering wheel, driver's seat. And let's hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 21,164. Do have a push button ignition. And here is our Lincoln Continental touchscreen display loading up. Below that we've got various climate controls, including heated steering wheel, heated seats, as well as additional climate controls right here in the display. Radio, navigation, and backup camera. And you can see the shifter right here as well. And if you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.